The proper use of antibiotics is very important to contain the growing resistance rates. The choice of the antimicrobial agent is generally guided by evidence-based approach, diagnosis and treatment of infections. For clinicians, the choice of antimicrobial agent is a key issue. One of the most important aspects which dictates antibiotic efficiency is drug absorption, often not highlighted. Drug absorption is a vital part of any drug, so that therapeutic concentration at the infection site can be optimally achieved. Poor absorption means poor bioavailability, resulting in inadequate response. Can it be enhanced? Yes. And one of the most innovative way is by prodrug. So, what is a mutual prodrug? A mutual prodrug consists of two pharmacologically active agents coupled together. Each agent here acts as a carrier for the other agent. Sultamicillin is the only great example of mutual prodrug with synergistic action. How sultamicillin works? Sultamicillin is a unique mutual prodrug of sulbactam and ampicillin bonded chemically by ester linkage. This design not only improves the poor absorption of sulbactam but also boosts the activity of ampicillin against some bacteria that are normally resistant. Sultamicillin. This unique mutual prodrug of two components, ampicillin, that inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis, while sulbactam inhibits beta-lactamase enzyme and PRPs. Sultamicillin more potent compared to any other combination forms. A single oral dose of 500 mg sultamicillin results 60% absorption of sulbactam and 75% absorption of ampicillin. Sultamicillin has superior pharmacokinetic profile. Peak plasma concentration of 4.4 mg per liter of sulbactam and 7.1 mg per liter of ampicillin. Sultamicillin gives 2.5 times better plasma concentration of ampicillin and sulbactam than when given alone. Sultamicillin enhances compliance. This superior pharmacokinetic profile allows twice daily or BID dosage of sultamicillin, which is more convenient than traditional 4 times a day dosing of ampicillin. Sultamicillin is easy to administer. Sultamicillin has one major advantage over the other beta-lactamase resistant antibiotics. It can be given orally, which avoids the inconvenience of parenteral route, resulting in improved patient compliance, economical and outpatient treatment. Sultamicillin enhanced efficacy. The excellent efficacy of sultamicillin is a result of several facts. Rapid absorption. Sultamicillin is rapidly absorbed through small intestine and then converted to ampicillin and sulbactam with an intestinal esterase enzyme. Delivers ampicillin and sulbactam in equimolar proportions. Fast acting. Reaches peak plasma concentration just within an hour. Higher absorption, resulting in increased bioavailability to 80% as compared to individual drugs. Increase in 100% ampicillin bioavailability, which is equivalent to IV dose. Synergistic action, resulting in higher tissue concentrations. Extended spectrum of activity for beta-lactamase producing strains and lowers incidences of diarrhea and abdominal cramps. Sultamicillin, place in therapy. Sultamicillin is effective against Acinetobacter baumannii infections due to the intrinsic activity of sulbactam. It is the drug of choice for the treatment of Acinetobacter baumannii infections for carbapenem-resistant strains in the nosocomial infection. Sultamicillin is effective against a number of infections including respiratory infections, ENT infections, urinary tract infections, skin and soft tissue infections, and also obstetric and gynecological infections.